Happy New Year. I hope unigrand bafethu mina ngigrand lami igama nguyangiCannibal izimzimba encane King Can YCY Tour 2026 singene shiqe singene phakathi sikhona. I hope nikhona. I hope niyaphila bafethu. I hope ningene kamnandi. I hope niphephile engozini. I hope nidle nasutha nahlala nama families na catch up. Kwamnandi nje ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi isona sikhathi esisitholayo leso nyakeni emphantweni esuke siyenza ukuthi sihlangane as a family kubuye izihlobo ezihambile zaya emadolobheni akude zawasebenza sibuye sibumndeni futhi sikhombozane iy'khathi ezimnandi yabo. So unyaka nje obuqala namhlanje kumhla ka-1 le video angazi ukuthi uzoyibona nini kodwa ngiyenza kumhla ka-1 January. Ya esengifisa ukuthi-ke ngihambe nge-energy entsha ngegiya elisha lokuthi manje umsebenzi uyikhulumele, ukusebenza kuzikhulumele yabo, ngingazitsheni ukuthi ngizokwenza ngesinye isikhathi ngoba izolo bekade kuwunyaka odlule namhlanje sekuwunyaka omusha yabo. So kade ngilanga ngithi mina into engizoyenza ngonyaka ozayo ngibona kuyisikhathi esi-right sokuthi ekhalendeni ngiyithikhele ngithi ngomhla ka-1 ngaqala ngasebenza ngenza umsebenzi engibone ukuthi u-right ukuthi ngikhulume nawe ngikutshene ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi samanje ngicabangani and ngisebenza kwini and esengisebenze kukona kungifundise ini. Njengamanje nje kade ngingena ku-Facebook khona namhlanje noma izolo kade ngishaya i-post wangena laphana Mthinayi Tsunami wakhomenta laphana wafaka i-challenge Mthinayi Tsunami laphana kuma-comment wathi ufuna ukuthi ayeke utshwala kodwa-ke u-challenge nami ukuthi angiyeke ukubhema insangu. Ngibona kuyi-challenge emnandi neyazi ngoba shuthi kahle kahle izinto ebengifisa ukuthi ngizenze kulo nyaka ziqala one level yokuthi ngibe nesizathu sokuthi manje into ebengifisa ukuyenza ngiyenze yabo. Wena Mthinayi usunginikeza i-chance yokuthi kube sengazi ukuthi lento manje ngizoyenziswa ukuthi ngoba ngi-challenge-ana nawe ngoba wena uyangi-challenge yabo, which kumina kuzoba fun-ke nawo ukuthi ngibe umuntu othi namhlanje from umhla ka-1 January ngiyayeka ukubhema ngoba uMthinayi uthi nawe uyayeka ukuphuza utshwala, which ngicabanga ukuthi lokhu kushiso ukuthi mhlawumbe mengibuka noma mhlawumbe ebona izinto engizenzayo comparing before azi ukuthi ngiyabhema, because it's not like ngithe ngiqala ukubhema wabe wazi before azi uthi mebuka mhlawumbe abone ukuthi ukubhema insangu kungishintshile kakhulu yabo, mhlawumbe ngendlela engekho right. Shuthi ubone ukuthi I'm abusing i-substance ekuyini i-weed leyo. Yena-ke akubuzwa mawumbuka nje kunoma isiphi isithombe you can tell ukuthi u-abuser i-substance thizeni which is i-alcohol more ukuthi umuntu omaziyo okahlangane naye ukumbone kwi-event. So njengoba ephumela obala efuna uku-challenge mina ukuthi kube sengazi ukuthi it's a joke ukuthi uyangidelela ukuthi angiyeke insangu, kodwa at the same time it's a serious matter ukuthi yena ukuthi ubuya ngale ndlela abukeya ngayo and uperforma ngale ndlela aperforma ngayo ngenxa yokuthi lapho kwenziwa utshwala, and yena ukathi mebuka mina abone into angayiduduza ngayo ngokuthi uyangiCannibal usabhema insangu. Well, I think it's a very good challenge and ngiyayi-accepta. Umhla ka-1 namhlanje uJanuary ngithi mangilishayela idamu namhlanje elokugcina, from today ngiyaqala ngiyakhawunta ngithi Mthinayi mawungibuka ebusweni noma ubona izinto engizenzayo uma ubothi khona kade ngilekha khona ngithi uzoyibonela ukuthi mina kusukela namhlanje, ngithi bengigcina ngoba ngibona i-comment yakho namhlanje. So ngiyayithatha i-challenge, indlela yami le yokuqala unyaka omusha nge-energy e-fresh ngoba nonyaka odlulile ngiqale nge-energy e-fresh, which izinto engizenzile ngonyaka odlulile lo ka-2025 bezihambisana nezinto engayitshena zona ukuthi ngizoba yizona kusukela mhla ka-1 January le ngangiphosta khona isithombe kinawo Mthenai noPhinox sasikade siphuma ku-music video ngichaza ukuthi lezi zinto zamabhifu abantu abayithatha serious azikho that deep as bona bethatha ngakhona and ngakuphila lokho ngenza amabhedle nabantu abanjengoHlupha Zafe nga-engage nabantu abanjengomliza omanyuza omashayangoma online ukutshengisa ukuthi as much as lapho khona ungaboni ngasolinye nokuba comparative ngokweskill sokurapper but at the same time kona lo ukuthi siyakhuluma back and forth abantu kungabanika enye picture ukuthi it's not le beef leyo ukuthi akusakhulunyiswana angisafuni umention igama lami angifuni ukuzwe kuthiwa bokhuluma ngami it's still hip hop kahle kahle controversy yayo hip hop so mesingakwazi ukuthi singafaki ama feelings nama emotions nenhliziyo kakhulu singarealize ukuthi everything esuke yenzeka kahle kahle isuke egcineni i-storyline esibuilder up to ukuthi manje ngithi Mthenai ku right ukuthi njengoba abantu bengasayitsheni into ababeyitshena yona manje you wanna change your life ngokuthi uchallenge mina entweni that's gonna change my life. That's very good. You wanna quit substance abuse which is alcohol mhlawumbe usuzamele ukuya ema-rehab, it's fine. This is a challenge public. If you lose this battle ngoba ufikanga kwi-battle ye-rap kade siyi-organize lapha eKukudlamini, this is the battle ongichallenge wena kuyona and ngiyayi-accepta. 1 January bekuyidami lami lokugcina bengilibhema namhlanje. I don't think isangibhemile namhlanje kodwa-ke ugufti okhona ngithi uyastopha namhlanje okumina egazini. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena i-volume elapha egazini lakho ubugcina yini ukuyinezezela namhlanje. 1 January 2026. Happy New Year to everyone. Ngizonibona kwivideo elandelayo. Press usubscribe, ucomment lapho ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani ngale challenge yami tonight. Sazohleka.